Going from fiat to crypto has never been easier. Log into Peer and choose your payment provider, then select the token and chain you'd like to receive. Start your order and scan the QR code with your phone. This opens your payment app directly on your mobile device. Pay your peer, then head back to the site and log into your payment app on desktop. The browser extension generates a proof locally on your machine. It never reads your data. Everything stays completely private. Once your proof is generated, it's submitted on-chain, and that's it. You've gone from fiat to crypto in seconds. Peer, any coin, any currency, anywhere.